Namaste, welcome. So today we are going to start very important topic of the Hat Pradipika, Hat yogic text, that is Hat Ratnavali. So Hat Ratnavali, most of the slokas, and you can say approx 50% Hat Ratnavali as same Hat Pradipika. Because in the sloka also, the author of this book, he told that I am follower of the Swami Swatma Ram. Hat Pradipika written in 15th century approx, 15 to 16th century, and it is the latest text. One a Hindi text we are getting its date, it is 1625 to 1695. Professor Vekanta Reddy. According to Professor Vekanta Reddy, so in between this time, this text is written by Srinivas Bhatt. Okay. And same as like Hat Pradipika, the chapters we called here Upadesa. Okay. So I would like to teach through book, because in the slides many things are missing. Everything we cannot add in the slides. That's why I will teach by the directly from the book. It is Hat Pradipika of Kevala Dhama publication. It is. Yesterday already I said this text in the group. Okay. At Ratnavali. Sri Nivas Yogi, he is the author. And Hat Pradipika author, Swami Swatma Ramji. So same author of Hat Ratnavali is Swami Sri Nivas Yogi. Okay. And it is the Kevala Dhama publication. Kevala Dhama is authentic. That's why I also follow that. Kevala Dhama and the Bihar school, both are the authentic text. Okay. So today we will cover the introduction of the Hat Ratnavali. We will not start in detail. Today I will just introduce, we will do overview. And from tomorrow in detail we will start to study sloka by sloka. Okay. So Srinivasa, he is the author of this book, and its name is the Hat Ratnavali. Okay. So in the book we are getting that here the who is author, he is telling about himself in the chapter number 1 that I know, I have read, I have understand that kind of text. I know the Vedas, I know the Upanishads. Like that, he is telling in the chapter number 1. Okay, author. It's the qualification of the author. Okay, and next is the here is the mention about his father. Father, whose father? The author of this text. Who is author? Yes, please. Who is author?
Srinivas Bhatt.
Srinivasa Yogi. Swami Srinivasa Yogi. He is the author, and his father, he was the astrologer. And Shravana, it is the name of his father. Okay. And according to a Nepali commentator, his mother name is Sombha. Okay. Yeah, on same points. Yeah, same he's telling he's most of the things he's following the Hat Pradipika. Most of the quotations from that text, but not all. Many things are different. One main reason which is making different Hat Pradipika to Hat Ratnavali, that is the Sodhan Kriyas. You know how many Sodhan Kriyas are mentioned in Hat Pradipika?
6.
6.
Six. But here, here 8 Kriyas are mentioned. That's why during teaching Hat Pradipika, I told you we are telling Sat Karma, Sat Karma. It is not right word. Sat Karma, yeah, we can say according to Hat Pradipika, yes, it is should. Ghiran Sahita also 6 techniques are there, but actually they are the Sodhani Kriya, cleaning process. But in Hatratnavali there are the 8 karma. So Vike Ashtakarma, oh, I am going to do Ashtakarma today, Ashtakarma class. Okay, so that Sat Karma is according to technically it is not good word if you are teaching to any your students. Yeah, Sodhana Kriya, cleaning process are the is the right word. So other things also, but it is the major which I noticed here, which is making that Hat Ratnavali is different from the Hat Pradipika. And one more other thing, that is the asana. How many asana mentioned in the Hat Pradipika? 15 asanas.
15.
Here 84 asanas are here. 84. And many asanas has many types also. We will study one by one, okay? So I'm telling that I will not teach as like Hat Pradipika as we have limited time. Okay. So important points I will teach you only. Other thing you read yourself. If you are getting any doubt, then you can call me. Okay. Yeah. In the chapter number 1, what he mentioned in the Hat Ratnavali. Okay. So here we will see that many definitions of the yoga he is defining in chapter 1. Chapter is not right word here. Upadesa. Upadesa is the right word. Upadesa 1. So many definitions of yoga. Swami Srinivas Yogi, he mentioned there. What is Raj Yoga? Okay. What is Hatha Yoga? Many definitions are there. And here Maha Yoga also there. And under the Maha Yoga, 4 yoga is there. Mantra Yoga, Lay Yoga, Raja Yoga, Hatha Yoga. So you can say that Maha Yoga is the father and 4 they are the his son, his childs, as like just for understanding. Okay. So all these 4 types of the yoga, Mantra, Lay, Raj and Hat, they are under the Maha Yoga. Okay. It is only mentioned in the Hat Ratnavali, not in the Gherand Sahita, and even not in the Yog Pradipika also. Only Hat Ratnavali we are getting these kinds of definitions. Yeah, Raj Yoga, Hatha Yoga mentioned in Hat Pradipika, but not this Mantra Yoga, Lay Yoga. Okay. Same thing, the relationship of Raj Yoga and Hatha Yoga, as like in Hat Pradipika. Maybe you remember that Hatam Vina Raj Yogo Vina Hata. Without the Raj Yoga, Hatha Yoga cannot succeed. And without the Hatha Yoga, you cannot attain the Raj Yoga. Okay, both you have to do. Yeah, then eightfold means 8 purified factory process. 8 Ashtakarmas are mentioned in chapter number 1. Hope you are making your notes. Okay. Maybe I will check after the class. Please make, otherwise everything will hodgepodge. So in the chapter number 1, first the definitions of the yoga, Mahayoga, Mantralaya, Raja, Hatha. Okay. The relationship of the Raja Yoga and the Hatha Yoga, and the 8 purifications process that we call the Ashtakarmas. Sodhana Kriya, 8 types. And the 8 types are the, please note down here, Chakri, Noli, Dhoti, Neti, Basti, Gajkarani, Trataka, and Mastaka Bhranti. I am repeating again. Please note down it. Chakri, Noli, Dhoti, Neti, Basti, Gajkarani, Trataka, and the Mastaka Bhranti. These are the 8 kriyas to purify our body. Same the Guru method, Guru tradition he is following. Adinatha Namostu Tasmai. That kind of solution mentioned in Hatha Deepika. Here also the same, not same, but the sense is same. Adinathji, he is saluting them. That Adinathji, you created. That we will study. Okay. Same that Natha Parampara, Guru Parampara. May be possible. Swami Srinivasji, he is the disciple of Swami Swatma Ramji. We are not sure, but he is telling that I learned many things by the Swami Swatma Ramji. Many commentaries it mentioned there. Okay. You can understand that I am Swami Swatma Ramji, and now you are learning the Hatha Yogic knowledge by me. You are the Swami Srinivasji. That may be possible. Maybe direct students, maybe indirect students. Okay. But he follow, it is sure that Swami Srinivasji, he follow completely to the Swami Swatma Ramji. So Chakri Karma is different here. Okay. Other karmas are mostly same. Okay. Yeah. Chakri Karma, he is telling that it is one of the great practice. Great practice. Chakri Karma, and by finger, with the help of finger, we do the Chakri Karma. We enter our index finger in the anus region and we move our finger at that region. It is that method we called the Chakri Karma. Okay. Yeah. During
Chakri
Jalbasti,
karma and Moola Shodhana, are they same, sir?
no. Indirectly you can say,
Okay, sir.
okay, but actuality is different. No? Chakri Karma with the help of finger, without finger you cannot do Chakri Karma. Okay. So this here I mentioned the picture also, you can see. So this finger you enter in the anus region and then you move it. That practice we call the Chakri Karma. In the childhood, mothers too, when the insects happen in the large intestine of a child, then what they do, they keep the oil in the finger and they move in the anus of the child. Have you noticed that thing?
Yes, sir.
It is the chakri karma that we called. That is also with the that we do with the oil, and here the other things are also there. Okay, so he added that technique in the sodhana kriya, main sodhana kriyas. That's why chakri, and he is telling it is a great practice, not the normal practice. It is a great and important practice, chakri karma. Okay. Yeah, that Noli Kriya we will discuss later, okay? Noli, Antar Noli, two kinds of Nolis are here. Jala Basti and Vayu Basti, two kinds of Basti he described here. Okay, two kinds of Noli, Bahya and Antar Noli, two kinds of Basti, Jala Basti and the Vayu Basti. Okay, yeah, Kapala Bhati. The step number 8, you see the Mastak Bhranti. Its name is Mastak Bhranti, but method is same the Kapala Bhati. So that's why we cannot say that it is a different. No, name is different, but practice is Kapal Bhati. And Kapal Bhati, Swatmaramji is also telling it is also the Sodhana Kriya. So you can see when you see carefully, Noli, yeah, types here, two types is there. That types it may vary, but the main karma, they are the same. The Noli is same in Hat Pradipika. Dhoti is also there. Neti also there. Basti is also there. Gajkarani is there, but he did not mention in the main 6 karmas. When you will see the Hat Pradipika, you will see the slok of the Gajkarani there. Trataka, Masak Bhranti is same the Kapala Bhati. So only Chakri karma he added in this text. Okay. Yeah, here Gajkarani, the jaggery water, coconut water, he suggested that things also. With that things also, that kind of water also, if you practice, it will be good. But in Hat Pradipika, very simple way, all the Kriyas say Noli one type, Dhoti one type, Neti one type, Basti one type, Gajkarani no, not mentioned, Trataka one, Bastaka. But here, variety you can see. Only two kinds of Noli, outside and inside. Neti, I think Jalbasti and, Jalneti and Sutraneti is there. I'm not sure, we will check. And no, sorry, only Sutraneti is there. Basti, two kinds of Basti is here. Jalabasti and the Vayu Basti. Okay. So it is the different from the Hat Pradipika. Okay. Same the karma, the same technique to remove the excess of the fat and the mucus. Same the. But here, this thing is also important. Here, in the Hat Pradipika, there he was not telling any relationship between chakras and the Sodhana Kiryas. But Swami Srinivasa Yogi, he is telling that these Sodhana Kiryas, they are directly related with our 6 chakras. He is giving chakras concept here. If you want to purify, if you want to activate your 6 chakras, then you have to clean your body. If your body will be clean, automatically your chakras will be activated. And the correlation also he mentioned in the slides also there. The chakra, root chakra, just wait here. Yeah, we will study in detail. Vajrol is chakra, sorry, Vajroli activated the Swadhisthana chakra, Noli activated the Manipura chakra, Dhoti activated the Anahat chakra and purification chakra, Neti and Trataka Agya chakra, Basti and the Kapal Bhasrika, sorry, I think Kapal Bhati it is, I think. The complete body purification. Okay. Today we are
So
just
here Vajroli is different, right?
yeah, few he is not highlighting. Okay. Yeah, many mistakes also in the slokas also. In many slokas you will see Swami Srinivasji, he himself confused in few points. In one sloka he is telling different, and other sloka same, he is denying his concepts. Yeah, few mistakes is there. Okay. Okay, but the good thing is that which you have to remember. So at Ratnavali, it is associating, it is telling the relationship between the Sodhana Kriya with the 6 chakras. It is important, okay? Same, he described the Hat Suraje Dharmike Dese, same thing he is telling. And which kinds of structure should be there? Alpadwaram, Rantragartha Vimaram, Natyuch Nichayatam, same thing he is telling, okay? That kind of hut should be. Mitahara, he is telling yogi should follow the Mitahara. And the recommended that Patha and the Apatha diet. That diet, Godamasala Yavasastika Sobhananam, maybe you remember that sloka. Okay? That kind of thing yogi should follow. And the another sloka Patha diet, that kind of thing yogi should not follow. It is also mentioned in the chapter number 1. Many times this yeah, sometimes it can happen. Oh yeah, Patha described in which chapter in the Hat Ratnavali? So answer is will be yes, please.
First
Chapter
chapter.
number 1. Okay. Yeah, helpful and harmful things same as like Hatha Yoga Pradipika. He was telling na that yogi should make a distance with fire, woman, and the long drive. That kinds of same thing he's also telling. Okay, yogi should maintain that kinds of rules if he is practicing. Okay. Yeah, it is the overview of the chapter number 1. Yeah, next is the chapter number 2, Upadesh 2. Okay. So in the second Upadesa, yeah, here you will, he is explaining the 9 Kumbhakas. How many Kumbhakas? Yes, please.
9.
Kumbhakas. And in Hat Pradipika, how many Kumbhakas there?
8 Kumbhakas.
So it is different here. Okay. 10 mudras, same mudras are there. Same in Hat Pradipika, Shiv Samhita, same everywhere 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. But here different is the 2 Sodhan Kriya active added and 1 the Kumbhak added here, along with the 8 well-known Kumbhakas. Okay. One more Kumbhakaji described. Yeah. Bhujangi Karani. We will study in detail, okay? Which kinds of that 9 Kumbhakas are there, okay? We'll study. Okay. Yeah. The synonyms of Ida, Pingala, Susmana given here. Yeah. Detail. Yeah. Susmana synonyms mentioned in the Hat Pradipika also. But here Ida and Pingala are detailed as like Sushmana Nadi, detailed synonyms mentioned here. And I think one time questions asked from there, that synonyms. Okay. So it is only in the chapter number 2. So remember this as like that in chapter 2 only kumbhakas are there. Okay. Yeah, in the next Upadesa third, here it is a different thing. Asanas he is explaining later. In Hatpadipika, he explained asana first, then Sodhana Kriya, then Pranayama, then Mudra, and then the Nadanusandhana. Here, first he explained the diet, etc. in chapter number 1. Sodhana Kriya, first he explained Sodhana Kriya, then he explained the Kumbhakas and the Mudras, and now in third Upadesa, he is explaining the 84 asanas. Out of 84 asanas, he explained only 36 asanas. But if examiner is asking that how many asanas in the Ratnavali, that your answer will be how many? Yes, please.
84, sir.
84. Okay. Yeah. Here, Manas Niyam and the Kaik Niyam. You can understand as like the Yama and the Niyama. Manas Niyam meaning the rules belongs to mind, that we call the Niyama generally. Kaik, the rules belongs to your body. Generally, we say that Yama. Yama, we call the Kaik Niyam. Manas Niyam, we call the Niyama. Okay. So, total 14 mentioned here. Okay, 14 are the Kaik Niyam and 14 mentioned in the Manas Niyam. Okay. You will understand it. Yeah. And it is also important here. In Upadesa first, you notice there he is explaining the Mahayoga. And under the Mahayoga, he is telling mantra, lay, raj and hatha. If examiner is asking to you that Hatratnauli is telling how many limbs of yoga, then your answer will be, yes please,
8.
Ashtanga Yoga. You will select the 8, not 4, okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Remember this thing, Ashtanga Yoga. Yeah, 1 or 2 times. Yeah, this is it. Make confused to the students. But actually, is the Ashtanga Yoga answer will be directly. He's telling it is the limbs, 8 limbs, but he's not defining the 8 limbs. But just a sloka is there that Swami Srinivas ji, he is following the. He is telling that yoga has the 8 limbs. That maybe as like the Yog Darshan, it is not surety, but he is following the 8 limbs, not mentioning which kinds of that 8 limbs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, yeah, here you can see it is also important. These kinds of questions come in the exam. 4 types of Padmasana is mentioned. 4 variations there. 6 types of Mayurasana he is highlighting. In 6 ways you can perform the Mayurasana. 3 types of Kurmasana. 5 types of Kukutasana. Many varieties in Hatratnavali. After dealing the topic asanas, he discussed the importance technique effect of the pranayama. But the method is same. Here, Swami Srinivas ji, he mentioned asana in chapter number 3. but it doesn't mean that you will perform asana after following the pranayama or the mudra. No, it is not good. Here directly he is telling, no, first you have to do the asana, then pranayama, then mudra, same. Process is same, okay? But he arranged in different style here. Hatha Deepika, very systematic way he arranged. Here order is something different. Okay. But practice should be same. Asana first, then pranayama, then mudra, and then the nada. So it is the overview of the chapter number 3. Next is the chapter number 4. So here also he explained about the samadhi and the techniques of the how to attain the nada nusandhana. Same thing, arambhavastha, ghatavastha, parichayavastha, nispattivastha, same thing he explained here also. Okay, 4 stages. These are the 4 stages of the yoga. Yes, here this thing is also making different. This text here, the pinda and the brahmanda, that concept, same concept mentioned in the Siddha Siddhanta Paddhati also. Here also. But Siddha Siddhanta Paddhati, there is too detail. Here just words is there. Pinda and the Brahmanda. 14 nadis are the important. Total are the 72,000 nadi. Out of that, 14 nadis are the important. When you compare the, have you studied the Yoga Upanishad? How many? Yes, please. Have you studied Yoga Upanishad?
8, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Most of the Upanishads and the other texts, they are following the 10 major nadis. But
Yes, sir.
please note down, he is telling not 10. He is telling 14 nadis are important. Okay.
In Shiv Samhita also, sir, there is 14
Yes, yes.
nadis.
Yeah, in Shiv Samhita, 14 nadis are there, and out of 14, sorry, except 14, Chitra nadis 15. Nadi is also mentioned in the Shiv Samhita. Yes, in Shiv Samhita, there is 3,50,000 nadis are there. Out of 3,50,000 nadis, 14 nadis are important. Out of 14 nadis, 3 are important. Out of 3, 1 is important, that is Susmana. Here, total are the 72,000 nadi in Ratnavali. Out of 72,000, 14 are important. Out of 14, 3 are important. Out of 3, same one, Susmana is important, okay? Yeah,
Sir,
here you can.
in Chitra Nadi also we have to include in Shiva Samhita.
But if person is asking in exam how many nadis in Shiv Samhita, then 14 will be right answer, not 15, okay? Yeah, one
Okay.
time this questions asked, yeah, in 2020 when I gave the exam, that time these questions came. I remember very well that which nadi is favorite nadi of Lord Shiva. That question came. And simple answer, Chitra nadi is a favorite nadi of Lord Shiva. Maybe you studied also that one, no?
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir, what if in option 15 is there, 14 and 15 both are there, then?
14.
Okay.
I told you na directly. In same in Hatha Deepika, how many mudras are there? 10. But in detail, when you see Sambhavi mudra is there, we cannot select 11. Okay. 10 is
Yes,
there.
sir.
10 is standard. Same 14 is standard there in Shiv Samhita. Because in the sloka, they mentioned that 14 are. That's why we are giving preference to 14 word, not 15 word. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
and here he is that explaining the philosophical statements of the Sutasmita, Vishnu Purana, Bhagavad Gita, Nyaya Darshan, Prabhakar, Sankhya Darshan, Advaitavad, that kinds of he is supporting that philosophy. But these kinds of philosophy not mentioned in the Hat Pradipika. Only Hat Ratnavali is supporting that. Okay. So with it, the overview of 4 chapters completed. Hope you understand the overview. Okay. Yeah, other thing you will, yeah, few things are also important here. Let me cover that also. Just wait. Yes, it is important here. That kind of thing can come in the exam also. So he HP meaning Hat Pradipika, HR meaning Hat Ratnavali. Okay. So here he is telling that the use of verses from Hat Pradipika. Most, yeah, many verses are same in Hat Ratnavali. Exactly same, ditto. In chapter 1, number 1, 23 slokas, verses same from Hat Pradipika. 26.4% copy. He just copied to Hat Pradipika. In chapter number 2, 53 verses are exactly same. You will see in the Hat Pradipika. Approx 35.8% copy. Yeah, Swami Swatma Ramji can blame. He just copyright my slokas exactly.
Plagiarism, sir. Plagiarism.
Plagiarism. Same. In 43, in chapter number 3, exactly same. And for 18 are exactly same. Total 33%. 33% he plagiarism will be there if we compare all the slokas of Bhatt Pradipika and the Hat Ratnavali. Yeah, rest 77%. No, 67%. Yeah, it is the contribution of the Swami Srinivasa Yogi, who is the author of this text. Okay. And other is just a minute. Yeah, this is the comparative study. You study yourself. Okay. It's your task. I will not teach you. Yeah, that details. We will study directly from the slokas. Okay. Here just overview he gave that things. Ashtakarma, he explained the Chakri, Noli, that all the kriyas.
Sir, if the kriyas are same, can we kind of go little faster, sir, and do only the concepts that we don't know?
No, detail questions will come in detail. That's why I told you now. In detail, it will be helpful to you if you
Okay,
study
sir.
detail.
Sir,
Because
Hatha
just
Pradipika, Gherenda, and Hatha Ratnavali, these three are important, sir.
yes. And most important is Hat Pradipika and Ghirand Sanhita. They are the two are the major important. Yeah, I'm noticing. So few years the questions are not coming from Hat Ratnavali. So this year I am getting that kind of intuition that this year questions will be from this text. Because every time UGC do something change, no? Which text he is not touching. Oh, this next Yeah, then next time the text questions will be there. That's why read properly, okay? Yeah, there is mention about the asanas name, okay? It's your homework. Yeah, he prepared notes for you also. You can take the print. Yeah, and but I will suggest to you. Yeah, really great work they did for you. Okay, short notes they are providing through this book. So here also short notes of the karmas, yeah, pranayama, Surya Bhedan, Ujjayi, Shitkari, Shitli, Basrika, Mahamudra, Mahabandha, Mahaveda, Udyana, Mulabandha, Jalandhar Bandha, Vikrutkarni, Vajroli, Shakti Chalni, Khechari, Asanas are there, Bhadrasan, short notes is here. You can take just print out also of these pages. Okay, or you can make your own notes also. Look how beautiful they arranged the benefits of the asanas, no? Yeah. Professor M. Venkatesh Reddy. Yeah, he elaborated this his text. He commentary. We are getting his commentary in Hindi book also. Na they are telling na Professor Venkata Reddy. According to him, we are getting the period of the Ratnavali when it written by Swami Srinivasa in 1625 to 1695. So Professor Venkat Reddy is also important here. Remember this name? Yeah. Tomorrow we'll start with the sloka. Today just we did the overview. Ratnavali. Hope you enjoyed this text. Okay, let us revise the syllabus. Whatever we covered, please don't exit the class. Otherwise, you will get the half knowledge. Revision is also very, very important. Okay. Yeah, one by one. And my request to you, who is responding, please on your camera. Okay. Yeah, network issue, please tell. Yeah, I have network issue, then start. Otherwise, on your camera when you are responding. Okay, you have to raise your hands. Okay. Yeah. Who is the author of this text? Yes, Lipalika ma'am.
Swami Srinivasa Yogi.
Excellent. What is the name of the father of Swami Srinivasa? Yes, Akshiji.
Shravan.
Hmm. And what his profession? Yes, Ravniji.
Astrologer, sir.
Excellent. And what is the period time of the Ratnavali when it written there? Yes, Madhura ma'am.
1625 to 1695.
According to whom?
According to Ramachandra Bhatt.
No.
Sorry, Venkata.
Professor Vekant Reddy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now raise your hand. Who can give overview of chapter number 1? Yes, Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
If
So,
network is
yeah,
allowing that on your camera, yeah.
okay, sir. Am I visible, sir?
Yes, yes, please, yeah, first time.
Yeah. So in chapter number 1, Desha 1, there are multiple definitions of yoga and Mahayoga also. Like he explained Mahayoga, which include mantra, laya, raj, and hatha. And again in hatha and raj, he is saying like Hatha Yoga Pradipika that hatha yoga and raj yoga are correlating to each other, like they complete each other. Then here we have 8 karmas: Chakri, Noli, Dhoti, Neti, Basti, Gajkarni, Tratak, and Mastak Bhranti. Then we have two in here in 8 karmas we have 2 Nolis and 2 Basti, and then purpose of karma is not only for reducing the fat and mucus, it is also for 6 chakras, like to purify the 6 chakras. And here in chapter 1, there is a discussion about heart, like how the heart should be, yogi's heart should be, and mitahar, pathya and apathya diet. And yeah, thank you, sir.
Very good, very good. Yeah. Next, who can revise the second Upadesa? Raise your hand, please come. Yes. Who can revise? Yeah, Sharavani ma'am, please come.
Okay, the second chapter we discussed about 9 kumbhakas and 10 mudras. Another extra kumbhaka is like Bhujangi Karani, and we discussed and in that they discussed about the synonyms of Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. And Vajroli Kechari Mudra also explained in the detail. And there is also Udyanabandha is also called Bandya Mudra, I think. Those are the things.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, next, who can give overview of chapter number 3rd? Yes, Lipalika ma'am.
Okay, sir. So third chapter discussed about 84 asanas. So out of 84 asanas, here Swami Srinivas Yogi explained only 36 asanas, and Manasa Niyamas rules belongs to mind called Niyamas. 14 types of Manas Niyams mentioned in this chapter. Then Kayaka Niyama related to the body. It's also 14 types of yamas mentioned in this chapter. Then Ashtanga Yoga means 8 limbs are mentioned in this third chapter. Next, 4 types of Padmasana mentioned in this chapter. 6 types of Mayurasana mentioned. 3 types of Kudmasana mentioned. 5 types of Kukutasana is mentioned. And importance of pranayama mentioned, and sequence of practice also mentioned same as before, but here mention first pranayam then asan, but we should practice same as before mentioning Hat Pradipika. So
Excellent ma'am.
these
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Who can give overview of chapter number 4? Raise your hand, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, Madhura ma'am.
How in Samadhi chapter 4, he told that how to attain Nadanusandhana and 4 stages of Samadhi, that Arambhavastha, Ghatavastha, Parchayavastha, and Nishpatyavastha. And also he explained about Pinda and Brahmanda. He told that 14 nadis are important, in that 3 are important, in 3 only 1 important, that is Sushumna. He explained in Samadhi.
And philosophical concepts also there. Vedanta.
Okay.
Okay. Bhagavad
Spiritual.
Gita, that means also there. Okay,
Okay.
nice. Yeah, next request to Rajeshwari ma'am. Please do the Santi part, conclude Santi with Santi part. Okay.
Okay, sir. All of you, please close your eyes.